Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is another video in my Robinhood Investing series. Now, before I get this video started, let me start by saying I'm not a financial advisor. I am not guaranteeing that I'm going to make any money off of the stocks I purchase, and I'm not giving you advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. All right, so today I purchased over 200 shares of this stock. The stock symbol is SOLO, Solo. Each share is currently at the price of $2.50. I was able to purchase 112 on Robinhood for $2.40. And I have about 95 shares on Webull. I currently have two accounts, one account on Robinhood and one account on Webull. If you guys would like to try out Webull, feel free to use my referral link. You and I will both get 2 free stocks. One for you opening the account, the second one for you depositing $100 or more. Okay, so let's look at this one for a week's time period. So as you can see, beginning of the week, it was $1.20 and now has doubled its stock value. So how long has this company been on Robinhood? So it looks like it became available to buy on August 3rd of 2018. As you can see, massive dip. And then you can see COVID happened and it was about $1. Its highest price point at this point is about $4.46. So what is this company? Engages in development and manufacture of electric vehicles. Sounds pretty awesome, right? So it's headquartered in Canada and was founded in 2015. And let's go on the company website real quick. So these are the electric cars that they are manufacturing and will be selling. And it's a pretty nifty little thing. I think I would probably get one depending on the price point. So why am I excited about this stock? So I'm just taking a huge risk at purchasing the stock. I mean, all in all, 100 shares only cost me about $300. Reading some news articles here, solo electric car that offers cheaper price and zero emissions is set to be released in the US this year. And this article came out in May 11th of 2020. And you can see more pictures of it. And I feel like this is something that people are going to be really excited about, especially since everyone has been really excited about Tesla cars. I feel like this could be the next big thing. I mean, it's literally like half of a car. It looks kind of silly. I mean, but I would definitely be up for getting one of these, again, depending on the price point. Takes up about a quarter of space of a typical SUV. It is neither a car or a motorcycle because it is on 3 wheels. Very interesting concept. I'm definitely looking forward to seeing how much it's going to cost, and I might actually buy one of these when it comes to the US. Solo names 5 states for a potential US facility. So it's going to be awesome because you could see here, the company is looking for a facility to help meet growing demand for its solo electric vehicles in the US. So you guys could already tell there's already kind of like a want in this type of vehicle, like an electric vehicle. And if they could sell these at a very affordable price and start manufacturing them in the US, I have a decent feeling that this could be the next Tesla stock. Again, I could be 100% wrong. This could come to the US and totally bust. Totally within the realm of possibility, but I just decided, you know what? Let's just take the risk, throw in a couple $100 at Solo and see if I can make any money, especially since I'm going to be holding most of my shares for at least 5 years. So at this point, I already have a total return of about $9, almost $10 just for today. So even within the week's time, it's gone up 100% just due to the fact that everything is pretty much rebounding. Stayed pretty much at a stagnant state as of today. Went up for a little bit there at almost $3 and then dipped back down and is still in the middle of $2 and about 50 cents here. We'll see what happens with the share. And I'm going to be making more videos like this one, just analyzing one particular stock, letting you guys know why I purchased it, just so I could get more videos out there instead of just posting like one video a week. Maybe I could do like 2 videos a week if I find a really interesting stock that I feel pretty good about. So if you guys know the video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.